Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar. Welcome to my chemistry class. Today I will discuss about the reaction with metals of the haloalkanes and haloarenes, and we'll talk about the Grignard reagent, which is very important, the formation of new type of product. So students, see here, the topic name is reaction with metal. Clear? So students, take example. So this is our alkyl halide product. If the alkyl halide product react with magnesium under dry ether, it will form R single bond, Mg single bond, Cl or X type of product. So you see here, alkyl halide means Rx. So this is our alkyl halide product. This is our magnesium metal, and the name is of this compound because of the first time this metal to attach this carbon atom. That's why the special name is organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Organometallic compound, which is also known as, a special name is Grignard reagent. So it is very important reagent because of the specificity for this reagent. You can see here RMGX. Clear? If we talk about the what is the nature of R here in this case. So students, see here, Mg is a metal and metal also hold the positive charge. So that's why this bond break on this side. So that means R is negative and Mgx is positive. So first time carbon hold the negative charge, and if the carbon atom having the negative charge, that is the special name is carbanion. So the name is carbanion, which is very important to all the students. So Grignard is a scientist which create the carbon negative charge and also give the explanation for the reaction with the help of reaction with metals. Now come to the application of this reaction, like if the Grignard reagent react with water, what is the final product? So students, first you write like that, R is minus and Mgx is plus, and in this case H2O having the H plus and OH minus. So according to the reaction, this negative attack on this positive and this negative attack on this positive charge. Clear? So R negative and H positive, it will form the RH bond, and here Mg having the two valency, first formation of the bond is OH and X. So in this case you can see here, if the R means, because in this case R means alkyl group, and alkyl group attached to hydrogen, which is a example of hydrocarbon. So with the help of water you can see the formation of product is hydrocarbon here under the Grignard reagent. Now come to the Wurtz reaction. It is very famous reaction. So students, Wurtz reaction means two alkyl halides like Rx and two magnesium metal. First you write the like that. This is also a alkyl halide group, and this is also alkyl halide group. If the alkyl halide group react with sodium under dry ether, this is our solvent here. Under dry ether it will form R single bond, R bond plus 2NaX. That means sodium halide. So to increase the number of carbon atom, we can use the Wurtz reaction. If the reactant is alkyl halide, you can increase the number of carbon atom with the help of Wurtz reaction. But the important point is that in the Wurtz reaction, this alkyl halide is a aliphatic. This is also second one also of the nature aliphatic. Clear? If we are taking the Wurtz-Fittig reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, clear? So students, see here the example. First you take an aromatic system of the aryl halide and sodium metal, and here also X and single bond CH3. Clear? Same condition for this reaction. Solvent is dry ether. So it will form benzene attached with CH3. The common name is toluene. So the question will ask which type of reaction for the formation of toluene. So the answer is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Now come to the Fittig reaction. So students, for the Fittig reaction, both the alkyl halides are not aliphatic. It is a aryl halides. Aryl halides means it is our aromatic system. Clear? And same for the other aromatic. Aromatic means benzene ring. Here you will write the benzene ring, and it will form, I will write here, it will form two benzenes contact to each other. So the name is biphenyl. So for the biphenyl product, we can use the Fittig reaction. So the concept is that in the Wurtz reaction you are using the two types of aliphatic compounds. So for the Wurtz reaction, both the alkyl halide, that means first alkyl halides and second alkyl halides, the nature is aliphatic. But in the case of Wurtz-Fittig reaction, first one is like aromatic and the second one is aliphatic. That is the main condition for the Wurtz-Fittig reaction, and you can see the main product is like toluene. But in the Fittig reaction, both the system, that means both the system of the aryl halide, which is aromatic in nature, under the dry ether react with sodium, it will formation of the two benzene with single bond. The name is biphenyl type of product. So students, I hope you understand the Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. And finally, all the best to all of you.